In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download WPS Office on laptop. We'll go from opening your browser to launching the app with clear tips so you can follow along confidently on Windows. First, open your preferred web browser like Chrome or Edge. In the address bar, type wps.com and press enter. Make sure you're on the official website before you proceed. You should see the correct domain and a secure connection indicator in your browser. On the homepage, look for the download button and click it. The site usually detects your system automatically, so you don't have to choose a version. If your browser asks whether to save the file, choose Save and let the download complete. A stable internet connection helps this go quickly and avoids corrupted downloads. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder. That's where most browsers save files by default. Find the installer file, typically named something like WPS/Office/inst and double click it. If your browser shows the completed download at the bottom or top of the window, you can also launch it directly from there. If you're using standard Windows settings, you might see a brief verification screen while the installer prepares to run. Next, if Windows prompts you to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. This is the normal user account control prompt that appears for legitimate installers. Since you downloaded from the official site, it's safe to proceed. When the installer window opens, click Install Now to begin. If a customize option is available and you prefer to adjust settings, you can review choices such as installation location, whether to create desktop shortcuts, or language preferences. If you're unsure, the default settings work well for most users. Keep your laptop powered and avoid closing the installer while the progress bar moves. The duration depends on your internet speed and system performance, so give it a moment to finish. After the installation completes, click Start Now to launch WPS Office immediately. If you prefer to open it later, you can find it anytime from the Start menu by typing WPS Office into Search and selecting the app from the results. On first launch, the suite may present a quick setup or welcome screen. Simply follow the on-screen instructions as needed. If you like quick access, you can pin it to your taskbar or Start menu afterward.